and create a new link that opens in a new window when I'm responding to a post such as Neil's. There's nothing new about creating the post. I'll go ahead and open that up. I have pre-composed all the information in Word, and so I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste between. Take this one paragraph at a time. The first paragraph is going to have a link to Google Apps in it. I have Google Apps open in another window. I'll go ahead and highlight Google Apps here to create my link. I need to come back and copy the URL, so I'll come in here and copy that URL. It's really important that you always make sure that you copy the URLs rather than just paste them in, and notice that it turns blue because it doesn't work as well the other way. Now while I'm at this point, I need to go ahead and select it to go in a new window. You can do it later, but if you're going to do multiple links, it's easier to do it at this point. The problem is that you don't have the reminder of how to do it at the top here. So what I like to do is just open in a new tab. Once that's open in the new tab, I'll go ahead and show the details. We only need this last little line right here that says class equals all the way over to the blank quote. I will copy that. I'll come back into regarding cloud computing. Need to go into the HTML code. I'm going to come to the end of my address, which is this part right here, right in front of Google Apps, and I'm going to go ahead and paste the code in there at this point. Once I show the full editor, when I move my mouse over it, it will say down at the bottom in my status bar that it's opening a new window. Now, I do have more than one paragraph in this post, so I'm going to go ahead and move to my next paragraph. I'll copy and paste that. This one also has a link in it. This one goes to Dropbox. I don't need to go into Dropbox because I have the URL memorized. I'll insert that link. I'll show my full editor so I can do the HTML code again. Because I copied from somewhere else, I've got to come back in here to copy that blank. Dropbox is right here. So I just need to click at the end of that and do the space and then paste that. Go back into my full editor. That also shows it's opening in a new window. One more paragraph that goes into the post. It is possible to do from your show full editor HTML here, you could go in and change these links individually if you wanted to. I just find it's easier as I'm going through multiple links on a page to do one at a time, so it's not so hard to find those. One of the big challenges that you may face is that if you are doing multiple links, the more links you have, the harder it is to find all of them after you have pasted it in. That's why I like to go a paragraph at a time so I don't have so much to do. So go ahead and post my message. Message obviously is going to take a few minutes to get out to the Intel site. It comes right back up. When I click on Google Apps for Education, you'll notice that it opens in a new window. I may close that window. When I open Dropbox, that opens in a new window as well, and I'm able to go in and do everything I need. But the nice thing about all of this, every time I close those windows, I'm right back on the community again. To me, that's a big important point. Thank you for watching.